Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not sending messages. So guys, when you open your Messenger and want to send a message to anyone and facing any kind of issue and your message is not sending, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network. And guys after this you need to reconnect it again with your iPhone, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And if do not have Wi-Fi, then guys you need to open your mobile data. And after doing this, the second method is you need to update your Messenger app from App Store. So guys, simply you need to open your App Store, and guys here you need to search Messenger. And guys after searching it you need to click on Messenger, and guys here you will find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not showing the option of update. So guys, if your app is not updated, then you need to update from here. And guys after doing update you need to go back. And guys, the third method is simply you need to open your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys here you need to find Messenger. So guys, here you can see I am clicking on show all, and guys all of these apps is here. So guys, simply you need to click on Messenger and click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your App Store. And guys after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to click on settings, click on general again, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. And guys after doing this you need to go back, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys click on date and time and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send messages to anyone on your Facebook Messenger. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.